Mini LED, like other LCD technologies, aims to solve its parents' flaws. How does OLED compare? In looking at Mini LED versus OLED, might you as well sacrifice your OLED for Mini LED? Here is the OLED versus Mini LED TV 2022 review, which has everything you need to know. Brightness. A display's maximum luminance, also known as brightness, is essential. In our comprehensive testing, LG C1 series produced just about 400 nits of brightness, which is disappointing because OLED screens are supposed to be bright. OLED screens can theoretically display perfect blacks and an infinite contrast ratio, so peak brightness isn't a major concern for them, according to their producers. A certain amount of brightness is essential for the optimum HDR and daylight viewing experience.
That's a pity.
However, the CCFL, cold cathode fluorescent lamp, backlight found in Mini LED screens gives outstanding peak brightness and excellent light output. Despite the inconveniences, there's no denying the benefits it offers while viewing information in brighter settings. Additionally, Mini LED TV have shown to be more durable than their predecessors. For additional information on the long-term reliability of OLED versus Mini LED TVs, watch the video to the end. We'll tell you about it. Viewing angles. The title, Mini LED, is a little deceptive because it implies a little light source. With a more advanced backlight, Mini LED are basically the current generation of LCD panels with an improved LED TV display. When seen off-axis, a liquid crystal panel's color control is lost, but the basic notion of reflecting light via an array of liquid crystal cells is still in place. OLED displays provide the widest range of viewing angles of any display technology currently available. As a self-emitting technology, OLED provides considerably greater viewing angles than LCD, including Mini LED. This is because the pixel generates its own light. OLED televisions appear to be the best for watching. Exactness in color. In terms of color accuracy, OLED technology has long been the best. With the emergence of quantum dot technology, LED panel technology has recently progressed. Afghanistan doesn't have television, which is a bit of a surprise. The Taliban is to blame. In order to improve color depth, contrast, and overall vividness, quantum dot, or QD for short, is a color enhancement technology that sits on top of your conventional LED backlight. Quantum dot technology is not accessible on all LED panels, but those that do are capable of challenging OLED screens. That is, if you believe the typical TV buyer's guide when it says that. Since color accuracy improves pixelation, the pixel lighting on Mini LED TV is now better than it was before. Keep watching this video for further information on LED and OLED TV pixel illumination. Durability. Which of the following is more durable in this category? OLED versus Mini LED is still a hot topic because Mini LED is essentially an extension of the LCD display. There is no genuine problem with longevity. Because of its long-term endurance and picture quality, there are no worries regarding image degradation with this panel type. Yay! I was beginning to worry. Opposing this is the case with OLED displays. The organic nature of OLEDs, the letter O in OLED stands for organic, raises serious questions about the product's longevity. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the newest technology news and product launches. LED LCD screens degrade more slowly over time than OLED panels. One example is that an image can appear on your screen, even though you're watching something else due to a reduction in color fidelity and irreversible burn-in. Pixel illumination. To illuminate its pixels, this panel technology still requires a large backlight. As a result of Mini LED technology's design, the backlight may be separated into thousands of local dimming zones, resulting in greatly improved contrast and brightness control. Using local dimming zones, you may adjust the brightness of specific regions of your LED backlights. With 16 local dimming zones, a TV or monitor may adjust the brightness in 16 different areas, all equally sized. New Mini LED TV include hundreds of local dimming zones that can be individually adjusted, resulting in a more realistic and artifact-free visual experience, according to a TV buying guide. Individual pixels can be illuminated on OLED panels. Conclusion: the Mini LED is still in its infancy. Newer TV from LG and Samsung have significantly more lighting zones than TCL Mini LED television, which was the first to market. Halos and blooming may no longer be noticeable when a certain number of zones have been established, but the exact number is unknown. As with the future 8th generation OLED screens, we have no idea how much brighter or less expensive they will be. With that, we'll say goodbye to this episode. As a result, we recommend that you watch our Mini LED versus OLED Best Review. Which one should you buy video to learn more about the differences between these two types of screens? Take care.